Hello viewers, today we are going to start a new chapter number 4, urbanization. So at first we need to know the definition of urbanization. Urbanization is a process in which populations from rural areas move to urban areas. Means the movement of population from rural areas to urban areas is known as urbanization, right? Let's see the causes of urbanization. There are some basic causes and reasons of urbanization. The causes of migration to a city are generally described in a simple push and pull model, means push and pull factors. So, what do you mean by push factors and pull factors? Sometimes people have a choice to migrate according to their wish. You know, sometimes people have a choice to migrate according to their wish, but sometimes they are forced to migrate. The reason people are forced to leave a place is called the push factor, right? So, for example, a lack of job opportunities, lack of available land, these are the push factor. And pull factors means the reason why people are attracted to a new place is known as the pull factor. For example, job opportunities in a new country, in a new city, educational facilities, better medical facilities, etc. These are the pull factors, right? Some basic causes are: first point, industrialization. Industrialization is a major cause of urbanization. It has expanded the employment opportunities. Rural people have migrated to cities on account of better employment opportunities. Right? Social factors. So many social factors are there, like better standard of living, better educational facilities, etc. Employment opportunities. In rural sector, people have to depend mainly on agriculture for their livelihood, right? But Indian agriculture is depending on monsoon. In drought situation, rural people have to migrate to cities, right? Modernization. Modernization is another factor. Urban areas are characterized by better infrastructure, communication, medical facilities, etc. People feel that they can lead a comfortable life in cities and migrate to cities. Okay. Next point, cities offer people more varied options for recreation and entertainment, like cinema, dance performances, fairs, exhibitions, etc. Cities provide better communication and transport facilities. Caste system. The caste system that are more widely prevalent in the rural areas of India force people to leave their villages and move to cities. So these are the causes of urbanization, right? So students, today here I close the chapter for today. In next class, we'll discuss about the impact of urbanization. Okay.